Kape. Yeah. Give me. Yeah. Por favor. I forgot. Hingi tayo ng kape. Gracias, amiga. Okay, gracias. I forgot my kape. Thank you. Okay. Ay, nako. Kape muna tayo. Oh my goodness. Humingi tayo ng kape. Naubusan ako. Bigay natin yun. Take out ko na lang to. Oh, gracias amiga. Puro negro? Gracias amiga. Just put hot water, huh? Hot water.
This is there's too much coffee. So three.
Huh?
Three.
3 of this?
Yeah.
So?
Yeah, three this one. Separate.
Oh shit! Oh my god! So I need it now. This girl, huh?
Right?
Gracias amiga.
You know.
Make the bed. What kind of coffee is this? What's the name of the coffee? Mexican coffee? Mexicano? Oh, oh my God! So good.
This coffee is fresh.
No, I keep it. Yeah. Later. Gracias, amiga. Hingi tayo ng kape na kalimutan ko yung kape ko.
Oh my god, so good.
Legally, once you say I will pay you, that means you took it as a loan. Because if it was a gift, you wouldn't need to pay it back. You're like, when Mr. Cutler gives me money, I don't say, babe, I'm gonna pay you back. And I never say it. When I did turn out, I just take it as a gift and use it. I started paying up my first payment was $100. Okay, and that is $100 for the payment. Yes, ma'am. Okay, so that's evidence that you intended to repay it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And if he paid you any money toward the $700 that you loaned him to get the car. That man ain't gave me 5 pennies. Okay. So I think he gave her $100 either. Okay. I'll get ready for it. Well, everything's right now. Yes. So you want to ask him. If you ain't gonna let you ask the young man that. No. You sure? I'm sure. You sure? Wait a minute. Just I call you every now and then and give you a little bit, and I mean I want to. Like it was. I didn't want to say I don't want you to put it in for me. Lord have mercy. Are you okay with this?
So good. Sarap ng kape ah.
He said he would be fine. Do you want a relationship with this? I used to believe. I said, no. You know, when you're in a relationship, it's supposed to be a give and take. You're not really supposed to be keeping track of who did what, because that's not really healthy for a relationship. And so, he needed $700, and you often give him $700, then that should probably be part of the relationship. However, you knew it was wrong. You took the paragraph. You said you paid some of that. You know, she was decent. And so, I know I did my mom. It was a lot. And it was a lot. You got to pay it back. Because of the $700, you thought it was a loan, and you treated it as a loan, and you agreed to repay it as a loan, the court is going to grant judgment in favor of the plaintiff in the amount of $700. So, Ms. Mallett, you have a question. Even though we granted judgment in the amount of $700, would you accept 40? You know what? Y'all being grown, and I'm not gonna speak for grown folks' business, so y'all just continue to be grown. If you like it, we love it. So that's that. So it is the order of the court that you will receive a judgment in the amount of $700. It is so ordered. Case is closed. I feel great. I get my money back. After court, I will be talking to every now and then. I feel like she knows she offered out her money. I feel good when we get back home. I will not. Your money is there. Financial sponsored by Jacoby Myers. Justice for you since 1972. Jacoby Myers will fight for the justice you deserve. And if we don't win, you won't get it. We have earned the trust of tens of thousands of clients. Jacoby Myers, because everyone deserves justice. Don't miss Sports Central, 7 nights a week on KCAP Los Angeles. Sponsored by Morocco Casino Resort and Spa. Less than 90 minutes from wherever you are. Morocco Casino Resort and Spa. Good times. Consultations are always free, and you pay nothing until we win. Call Larry H. Parker. We'll fight for you.
Be prepared for now and what's next. Next driving on KM News Mornings. Today on Dr. Phil.
Your son left to his own devices will be dead beside of the Christina's boyfriend. He seems to be unraveling in a really bad way. You've been drinking a lot though, right? Like turkeys, you got man up. I just went into an anger pinch. I want you to go straight to rehab.
Oh shit. Mali na yung ko. Damn.
And yet was. 10 years ago, Whitney Houston star Bobby Christina
Excuse me.
He was distraught. He was drunk and completely out of control. What started out as a planned interview that Nick and his attorney had requested in order to clear his name quickly turned into an emergency intervention. Here's what happened. Nick Gordon faces cameras for the first time since Bobby Christina Brown was rushed to this Atlanta hospital clinging to life.
Ah.
Bobby Christina was without oxygen for 5 to 8 minutes, according to published reports. And significant brain injuries. She may never be able to walk out of the hospital if she does so. Despite reports that Bobby Christina's brain function has significantly diminished, her family remains hopeful and have been at this hospital